First class or private jet? Which luxury experience is truly worth it? Let's find out. Let's start with first class, the peak of commercial air travel. Private suites, sliding doors, and live flat beds turn your flight into a hotel in the sky. You're welcomed with champagne and treated like royalty from the moment you board. Gourmet meals, premium wines, and personalized service elevate the experience. Some airlines even offer onboard showers and lounges. But you're still flying with hundreds of other
Please ensure
passengers.
your seatbelts are fastened.
And your schedule depends on the airline. Now, welcome to the world of private jets. No lines, no waiting. Just arrive and fly. You control the schedule, fly whenever you want. The entire aircraft is yours, ultimate privacy. Custom interiors, luxury seating, even bedrooms. Your meals are tailored exactly to your taste. And the
Here's
service,
your champagne, sir.
completely
and some appetizers.
personalized.
Thank you. It looks wonderful. My pleasure.
First class is luxury, but private jets redefine it. First class give comfort. Private jets give freedom. Private jets give freedom. One is premium travel. The other is ultimate luxury lifestyle. But luxury comes at a price. First class can cost thousands. Private jets can cost tens of thousands per hour. So which one is better? If you want luxury at a lower cost, first class wins. If you want privacy, control, and elite status, private jet wins. In the end, it's not just about travel, it's about how you experience it. Which would you choose, first class or private jet? Comment below.